Okay, Jenny, now we're going to teach you the skirt with the feet. So you learned this part. Okay, so it's like alzadito. So, okay, and remember you're a chicken again. So when your front foot comes down, so when this foot's here, you're here. When you're on your back foot, you're here. No, you're not, I think. Yeah, you are. No. Okay, you're lifting. So down, up, here, down, up, here. Come to the feet next to me so she can see, lift your skirt, she can see the feet. So turn that way so she can see your feet. Okay, ready? And we'll just do them on 3. Ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then when you're doing this part, you're just holding your skirt up, okay? So in the steps after that, you're going to step, cross, step, and you're doing karatia, 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 step, cross, step, karatia, 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 step, cross, step, karatia, karatia, karatia. Okay, and then you're going this way, and going forward, okay?
So it's
So from the side, it's
1, 2, 3, 4. No,
okay.
that's 5. You just did 5. It's 1, 2, 3, 4.
I don't know if you can do it. Okay, hang on. Let's see the music. Come on. Ready? Wrong song. Sorry,
Just
Jenny.
kidding, we're doing this.
Huh?
I said, just kidding, we're doing this.